Hello beautiful people. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Carol. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing fine as well. In case you're new here, karibu sana, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. So guys, today we are along the Eastern Bypass, to be precise in Ruiru Membly. So today we are going to explore a studio. I'm going to give you a tour of a studio apartment that is going for 2,000 per night, guys. I'll take you through and then you can let me know what you think about this particular studio in the comment section down below. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So guys, that's the entrance of the apartment. That's how it looks like, and then we have the entryway over here. Up there we have this lighting, really beautiful. And then from there, guys, we have these sandals. From there, let's head to the kitchen area. We have the fridge, we have the microwave, the kettle, and then we have the sink, the mug tray or the cup rack. We have the dish rack as well. We have more storage over here. And then up there we have more storages. That's how it looks like. Cooking pots. That's basically how it looks like. From there, guys, we have a 2-cooker stove. Hapa pia kuna kando, in case of blackout, you can sort yourself out with that. And then we have the water dispenser. So guys, that's basically how the kitchen area look like. Hivyo ndo inakaa. That's the kitchen area. From there, let's go to the sitting area. We have this decoration over here. It's really beautiful. Then we have a 2-seater couch and some throwaway pillows to decorate. I love the way the colors are blending in. From there we have this bistro set and the centerpiece over there. And then down here we have the 2 mats, the identical 2 mats. That's how it looks like. It's really beautiful, simple and beautiful. And then from there, guys, we have this portrait. That's portrait over there. That's how it looks like. And then the bed. And then, guys, we have the window. That's the window of the whole apartment. Up there, we have the closet. That's the closet. And then we have this fluffy carpet over here. From there, we have this mirror. Hello. We have the mirror. And then we have the fan. In case joto ikizidi, you're free to light up the fan. From there, we have the screen. Get to enjoy Netflix and YouTube videos. That's our screen. And then from there, guys, we have this artificial flower over here just to decorate the room. And then, guys, I'm just going to give you the whole view of the apartment, the whole view of our studio apartment. This particular apartment is going for 2,000 per night. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And then from there, let's head to the bathroom. So guys, this is the washroom area. It's really spacious. That's how it looks like. And then we have some toiletries over there. and of course the mirror, the sink. That's basically how the bathroom look like. It's really spacious. So yeah guys, that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.